I'm gonna share with you guys this vintage looking video light that's 100 watts and it has all the high-tech features that you need. All right, check this out. What's up guys, Marion from Camera to Freedom. If you use your camera to take photos and videos and make YouTube content so that you can live a life of freedom, then hit that like and subscribe and let's go. I think light reviews was the very first thing that I've actually reviewed. And in the past, years ago, it's just turn on, turn off, and that's it. But nowadays, it's a computer. It does so much. All the lights do the job. There's no bad lights to get. You get any light and I promise you, it's gonna be awesome. It just does the job. It lights the surrounding. But sometimes you want to get a light that kind of fits your personality, right? And it just does everything that you're looking for in a light. So first off, this Tolifo Palm Light RGB because it showcases all the colors in the spectrum of colors. First off, it has a built-in battery that I really love. So nowadays, if you need to pass the requirement for video light, a portable video light, it better have a built-in battery. So that way I shoot weddings, I'm dressed up because I'm gonna go shoot a wedding pretty soon. I'm taking this light with me. It needs to have a battery power. Now, if you don't have a battery power, I do have this battery handle that you put on the bottom that lights up. This is from ZG Synth. So this company does make batteries to light up your LED light that doesn't have a built-in battery. So there are options. But I do love it when lights have built-in batteries. So this battery at 60 watt, which is very, very bright for weddings, it could last you about an hour, but it can reach up to 100 watt, which is super strong for batteries. I've said it before in other videos. In the past, video lights cannot go up to 100 watt with battery. It had to be plugged in. But starting this year, there has been couple of video lights that could handle 100 watt output power brightness using just a battery that's built in. So if you do that, it lasts about 40 minutes, which is a lot because normally at weddings, I'm just usually at 20%, if not less. And then it lasts me all night. Obviously, I don't have it all night. I turn it off when I don't need it. But it's kind of funny too because my friend and I were just talking the other day, we have videographers who will bring 3-4 lights and light up the whole reception area because they want to make sure that they get their shot, but they're not thinking about the customer, the uplighting that they spent, the mood, the candle lights. You know, receptions are very moody. And in my opinion, as a videographer etiquette, you don't want to ruin that by just making everything super bright just so you can get your shot. So this one, I keep it down to 20%. And then luckily, this thing also comes with this accessory, a little dish dome that goes in. It's a baby version. They go to the front and then you could just direct it straight to the couple and the best man or the maid of honor that's doing the speech and then not blind anybody else. So you're almost giving them a spotlight, which also helps too because a lot of wedding events, they don't light up the couple that's, you know, sitting there when there's things happening like the speeches and so on. So it's kind of nice for you to bring your light to light them up so even the guests could enjoy watching them lit up nicely. So it comes with that. But the best part also, this accessory comes with this rubber dome. So this dish will make your light brighter. So then you don't have to make it as bright compared to if you took it out. But this goes right in the front. You don't see this rubber dome in a lot of the video light that I get that comes with domes like this. This rubber thing should come with every dome. So you put this in the front, it just pops in like a sock and boom, now your light can be evenly distributed to the couple that's sitting down, to the person that's talking. If they're doing the first dance, instead of just giving them a spotlight in the middle in case they really just start moving around, it'll kind of spread out and give the whole dance floor the light that it needs. So I love the way it looks. Look how cool that looks. That's crazy. And it's small. It's like the size of a camera, so it's very mobile. I put it in my bag and it fits in there perfectly. So that's also a plus, the fact that it's tiny. I don't think there's an official name for it, but it's a mini Bowen style mount. So there are adapters that allows you to put a mini Bowen to a regular Bowen mount. So that way you could put a big softbox that I have right now on top of it. You could put every other Bowen softbox out there in front of it using this. It comes with a nice little case like this. Let's open this up. And inside it, it comes with not many things, not much things. It comes with a USB cable. I don't know why, but it doesn't come with a brick to plug this in. So definitely get yourself a brick. I just recently made a video about this. Python has a power brick that is 120 watt, 2 USB-Cs, 2 USB-As. So if you want to fast charge your equipment, which I highly recommend, fast charge your equipments, enough of this 5-volt slow charging that takes you all day to charge. Even though slow charging is better for your battery, but it's still okay. So get yourself a brick like this. I'm gonna have the link for the Poison power brick below as well. So that way you could fast charge your light, which it takes a long time. The batteries in our video lights is kind of dense. It takes a long time for it to charge. The battery in there is 4,500 milliamps. It also comes with a handle. This is kind of cool because you put this on the bottom and it has a little knob that prevents the light from panning left and right. It just stays in place. So once you have this screwed in, I gotta go to a wedding soon. Just watching the clock. Okay. And now you have a handle. You could have your assistant just hold it for you if they need to be. There are shoots that I go through where I need my assistant to help hold a light because we are shooting a short film, a commercial, and our actors and actresses is moving around, so we kind of want the light to go with them. So that's very cool. That comes with a handle, and it has a little hole in the bottom for you to put it on top of a tripod and lock it down. So this also has 20 special effects. You could go into the special effects. I can't speak right now. And then it has flashes like lightning, paparazzi cameras, fire, TV effect, all this effect in case you're making short film and you want to recreate that light. So I noticed that a lot of the video lights that's coming out this year and last year, they all have lighting effects. So I'm glad this also does. It's almost mandatory nowadays. Built-in batteries and special effect lights. So it has RGB. It has all the colors that you can pick from. So definitely great for creative shots in case you want the light to be red, blue, purple, green. That's a plus. You could control this with your phone. Easy to connect. All right, so the app is called Link Light. I'll have that link to the app in the description, of course. And it's quick to set up. And the reason, now just to let you know, that was very instant. I turned it on, I opened up the app, and it was instantly connected. So that's crazy. It's not that fast with apps connecting to your light as with my other video lights. So that's a plus. And the fact that it's that reliable is that during receptions, during events, instead of having me run over to my light, bring it down from my big tripod, turn it on, bring it up, and then I'll aim it and then go to my shots, there's so many times the DJ doesn't wait for you. They're just like, okay, first dance. All right, speech right now, guys. So you're like, oh my God, give me a second. So boom, phone comes out, light is on. Don't worry about the light. And now you can focus on getting your camera and mic in position to get your shots. So having an app is important. A lot of the lights do have that ability, but not all lights have that fast connection that I just experienced right now. All right, guys, so I definitely recommend the Tolifo Palm Light RGB. So they do have a version that comes with just a warm and cool light that you could save a few bucks on, but you could also get yourself an RGB version in case you want to get that creative, different color light. So I definitely recommend it. It looks cool. I'm definitely gonna put it on my shelf because it's a beautiful looking light. I recommend it. I got the discount code link below. And if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support. And please leave a comment, guys. Let's talk videography. What you got? What kind of question you got? Just ask me anything. I would love to just communicate. It also helps out with my algorithm. So if you just say what's up, that's cool. I love it too. So thank you for watching all the way through. And I will see you next time. Get it. This is cool.